Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you a personal update. Had some serious health issues lately, and of course I wanted to give you an update on what's been going on with the cars, but I'll get right to it. On a personal level, I've been diagnosed with stage 4 anal cancer that has spread to my liver. I've got like 12 lesions on my liver, my hip bone, my spine, and the base of my skull. Got a lesion there, as well as 2 lymph nodes. So stage 4, and I've been currently going through chemo treatment and have gone through about 6 chemo cycles. So it's been some really tough diagnosis, really tough few months. I went from, mourning after my last wife to trying to get my stuff together and meeting, someone new in my life. You probably saw the Carlisle video, Sissy there. And then getting hit with this kind of news was pretty devastating, but I'm fighting. And, I did have a scan, and the scan showed that it reduced a lot of the lesions, about 30% in size, so it is being effective. So wanted to give you updates, kind of why I dropped off the face of the earth for a little while there. So that's kind of the big news that I wanted to talk about. But on another personal note, I wanted to update you because obviously she's been on the channel. I met this beautiful, hot, blonde Sissy, and you saw her on the Carlisle trip. She went with me there, and we got married November 15th. So I decided to, I get chemo every 2 weeks, and I'm gonna just try to make the most out of my life between my car, do as much as I can with my family, and also, of course, I want to live like I'm going to live, and my wife is a big part of that. So I want to go ahead and introduce you guys to her. So come on over, Sissy. No. So welcome to the channel officially.
Thank you.
Yeah, so.
You let me in.
Yeah. So did you have any idea what you were kind of getting into? I mean, I know you've seen some of my videos, and we've been friends for a long time, but.
I did kind of know that how much you loved your car, but that's what I loved about you.
Yeah.
And red is one of my favorite colors, so.
I see that.
I always try to have a little red for the mullet love. But anyway, yeah, I kind of knew.
Yeah, cool.
But I'm okay with it. I'm learning new things.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's the car community is a really good group of guys and girls, It's like, they're a very caring community, and, they're just, it's really cool to be around and see them at shows, and they're like, hey, I saw you at the last one, and they kind of remember you and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool to just hang out with car people. And you went, I took you on the first car show. We did a big trip from Tampa, Florida, all the way up to Carlisle, Pennsylvania on our first trip. It was like a 14, 16-hour trip.
So Sissy to get her ass in the truck, so I got in the truck. Am I allowed to say that on here?
Yeah.
But anyway, I try not to use curse words. But I liked it though. I had fun.
Yeah, that was cool.
And everyone's are super sweet.
Yeah, and so you met a lot of my car friends and stuff there too.
Yeah,
that was cool. Yeah.
It's good times.
Yeah, so she's been a big part of my life here, and we're started to get back into the car, and we'll do a car update here in a minute. But just wanted to kind of give you some life event stuff going on there. And then I did, on a personal note also, one of my good friends, Brian Johnson, passed away, and I don't know if you're third-gen Camaro or Firebird guys, you probably know him from the big Facebook group page. But he passed away last Saturday morning, and it's been really tough to you know, he was very empathetic, and you know, he really cared about my cancer and everything I was going through. And I was like, man, this guy I could just feel how much he cared for me. And but then for him to turn around and, you know, pass away unexpected like that was just a big hit. So shout out to Brian. Dedicate this video to you.
R.I.P. Brian.
Yep.
He's got his big car in the sky.
Yeah, absolutely. And to his family and his son especially. So we'll dry our eyes, break out the Kleenexes, and we'll talk a little bit about the car now. And actually the other vehicles too, because I've had some updates and some things going on there now. For the most part, I'm not doing any big work on it just because I'm just not able to. I'm on blood thinners because of some blood clot complications, and I got to really be careful with what I do. I get bone injections to help strengthen my bones because of the chemo and everything else. So it's been, you know, I really have to be careful, but I've been doing some light things. So some of the things I've been working on, first of all, is consider subscribing to the channel, guys. I especially need it now. Any kind of revenue that I can get not working, you know, I think I would really appreciate. Now's the time for all you guys that's been watching this to hit that subscribe and like and comment on the videos as much as possible to kind of get me up in the algorithm. So I appreciate that. All right, guys, we're in the car now. I'm gonna show you just a couple things real quick here. Man, it's so nice to get, I mean, some of the interior stuff was kind of beat up, like I was saying, but we ended up getting this nice console. And yeah, if you want to come in here, baby, and just kind of film that a little bit. Nice new, got new latch and all that's all on there. I had to go ahead and cut out for the switches. I got new switches for that. I got a new 6-speed plate there. And then of course we got the Alpine, and a little bit of a shadow there, but I'll turn this on real quick. You can kind of see what's going on. Woo! Man, I'll get copyrighted if it's longer than that, but basically that's the setup there. Really cool. And the shadow is kind of on it, but I'll show you a picture of it, which is kind of nice. So this was a big install here. I ended up using a 3D kit that did the single and the halved in here. That's pretty cool. So then all the rest of this is from Screaming Chicken. This is just a little phone holder. He also has an option where you can do a cup holder, and it just bolts onto the 2 trim screws here. And then I also did a new door trim plate here. I did a new stock on the thing, and then, oh, got the light. There we go. And then on this side here, all new switches and trim on that one as well. So got that all set up, going good. And that's kind of the update on some of the little stuff that I've been doing here. And hear that up a little bit.
I love that sound. I don't know why.
So yeah, that was pretty cool, and to get that all set up, I've already had a 5-channel amp. I've got a 10-inch JL Audio sub. I did put some, I went to Screaming Chicken's website, I did put some front, I think there's 6-inch Kenwoods in the fronts, 4 or 6-inch, I'm pretty sure there's 6-inch, but I may be corrected on that.
All I know is things keep showing up at the door for the car.
Yeah. I try to get out there, but she gets just as much Amazon as I do, and I think she catches it before I do, so.
I don't know, he's good about my Amazon, but it's always stuff for the house. I've been good.
Yeah, you have.
He can have all the car stuff he wants. I'll let him have whatever he wants.
How about some new wheels? No.
He's the king.
I'm wheeled out. I can't spend no more wheels. So the Alpine deck was really neat, really cool. I'm really happy with that. I took the stock system out of that. The other thing is the upper console, brand new. I got from Hawks. Put the switches in, brand new switches in it. I got a brand new shifter plate there for the 6-speed, and the boot and all that goes with it. and just upgraded. A lot of the interior stuff was kind of broke, and you guys know how this stuff is, man. If you just lean on it wrong, you can snap it. But mine had cigarette burns from the 80s in it, like where the ashtray was. You could tell there was like 3 or 4, like where the person just laid the cigarette. You know how we used to do, right? You just flick the cigarette down there and lay it down in the ashtray, and it burned some of the plastic where it was just melted. So it was kind of nostalgic, but I had to go ahead and finally replace that. And and then also on the door sides, the trim and the switches on the doors as well, they were kind of busted up, so I replaced that. So that's the kind of light duty stuff I've been doing. I get out there and, you know, I'm not working right now because of disability, and so I'm trying to find some purpose in my day, and trying to get out there. So she'll make coffee, and then I get up and I'll just sneak out to the garage, and all of a sudden I'm a couple hours into it, and then I come back in, and
I usually know when you're out there because I hear the walls like bumping and stuff.
Yeah, you either hear the exhaust from it or you hear the stereo.
It's good though. I'm like, oh, good, yay.
Yeah.
Oh, she has a good day.
Yeah, so been doing that, and then I'm taking the car to Duncan Motorsports. He's the only guy that I really trust my car with, and shout out to him. He's gonna finish up. I got some suspension stuff. I've got bolt-in subframe connectors right now from Jegs. I'm finally gonna get the weld-in ones from UMI put in, and yeah, believe it or not, the bolt-in ones have been handling it. But now that I got the drag pack, I'm a little concerned. Everything's hooking a little bit more, so I'm beat things up a little bit on the suspension. The other thing is I got UMI adjustable torque arm, and I'm finally going to get him to put on, and then a Watts link, which was pretty expensive, but I had that for a while, and that's going to prevent, you guys know, with the panhard bar, it's going to eliminate that, and because the car is on air, it goes up and down, the tires actually will move, you know, back and forth, the rear end up to, I would say, a couple inches. So you get, you know, depending on the ride height, I drive it high, not that kind of high. I drive it high, and I park it low. So, you know, I've got those tires really stuffed in there, especially with the drag pack. So I need to align it, and the Watts link's going to allow me to just keep that alignment there right off the bat. So that's going to be pretty badass, I think. So yeah, the drag pack's been working great. It's on it right now. Air suspension, I've got it dialed in with the panhard bar, but like I said, I'm gonna be doing the Watts link on this thing. But it's been hooking so much better than those 18 street setups. So, I mean, I didn't realize how fast this car was. This thing's a beast, boy. She'll just hook and tuck. I can break it loose, but you know, for the most part, it's way better on hooking up. So, and that's just on the street. So can't wait to get this to the drag strip. So getting those things done, and then he's also, the other thing is I got to fix I got a new set of headers with V-bands on it. Since I drive it up, I got more clearance for the V-bands, and so I'm gonna get some help installing those new headers, and then I got to make some connections to the V-bands and weld the V-bands onto the other side. They're already welded onto the headers. And then I had those ceramic coated silver as well to cut down on the heat. So pretty excited. After that, guys, that car is going to be basically done. We're going to do some cool events. I'm going to take it to the drag strip. We're going to make some passes. We're going to do some car shows. We're going to do all kinds of cool stuff. So I'm going to take you guys right along with me. So
ride along.
Yeah, exactly. Ride-alongs and stuff like that.
Can I be the shotgun?
Yeah. As long as you film. No. Put you
Those are always stipulations. Can I just ride and look cute and eat snacks?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
As long as they're Fritos. Oh, see, that's another stipulation.
But I want Cheetos, not Fritos. I want to smell like an old toe.
Yeah, but them Cheetos get your fingers all orange.
I know, but then it's all, I'm not going to say anything about the orange fingers.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So with that, the drag pack's been working out great. It's definitely hooking better. And so I'm gonna leave the drag pack on it for now. You might be seeing some social media stuff My 18-inch street wheels is what I normally would be driving around and just normal driving when I go, you know, hang out, go to the gas, you know, whatever gas station. I've been driving the car, but I want to make sure I get all this new suspension with the drag pack set up, and then I can start putting the street setup on just hanging out and driving, doing trips and stuff. So that's going to be cool. So that's Fireball Mullet, the car. And the Blazer, so Duncan Motorsports also has my Blazer. Man, the motor was running great. It's a 4.3, as you know, and V6. The motor was running great. It just leaked like, I don't know, it just looked like back when the tanker, you know, started leaking oil in the Gulf. He looked like one of them ducks, you know, that they were washing with Dawn soap.
I love Dawn soap though.
I know, it works for grease. My driveway started looking like that thing was leaking so many different places. I was like, you know what, forget it. So he's putting a long block 4.3 in it. No, I'm not doing LS swap. No, I'm not putting a 350 in it. It's going to be that. Now I may do a single turbo in the future if I feel froggy about it. But for right now, it's going to be just a replacement, because that thing is pretty torquey in that little Blazer, in that S10 Blazer. We're also, you guys know it's white. I'm also getting it custom painted blue. It's a beautiful blue.
Very beautiful. I'm approving it, and I might even drive it. And I'm a Lexus girl. Slash, I used to have a Firebird.
Not no more, baby. You a Blazer girl now.
Oh no.
You a ZR2.
That color's so pretty. I think I'll drive it. Just gotta get some seats in it, but we'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
Like a brand new ride.
Yeah, we'll fix up. We'll put some leather seats in that bad boy and be all hooked up. So getting it painted, which is pretty exciting, and then I'm gonna get some new tires. I'm probably gonna get the Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP, and I'm gonna do 31 1050s. That's on it. I'm not gonna be putting any big tires on it, and well, we're going to take it out, you know, on some trails, light trails and stuff. Florida, I mean, we live real close to some really cool trails around here, so that'd be some cool videos too to kind of get out there.
And I've never done that. I've never been in mud and stuff, but I'm willing.
Yeah.
Taking chances.
I like to get a winch first. I mean, I'm not going to be doing any crazy off-road stuff, just some light, you know, light trails and stuff like that, but you never know, man. You get into it and you're like, let's hit the mud hole. Okay. And then you get stuck, and if you ain't got a winch and nobody's around, you stuck.
Oh, winch.
Yeah, it's like a big
thing
in the front.
I was like, why is he gonna need a winch?
No, you hook it to a tree and stuff like that, and it'll pull you out. You hit a button. So it'll crank you out of there. So that's the Blazer. And the Mercedes, the SL550, Duncan Motorsports has this new thing where he got a tune for it, a custom tune for it, and that thing now is putting out 550 horsepower with, I don't know, maybe 700 foot-pounds of torque. All right, baby, I'm showing the bends real quick.
Ooh, it's chilly today.
Oh, yeah.
I need my
Florida.
jacket.
Yeah, so pretty excited. Got a tune into this thing, man, and it just woke this car up. I mean, it's twin turbo V8 in this thing. It's a little small V8 in it, but it's twin turbo. And I'm telling you what, that thing woke up with that tune. 700 foot-pounds of torque, 550 horsepower. So, and I got quiet exhaust on it. It's such a little sleeper, but this little Roadster is just fun to drive. I've been having a fun time with this car. But yeah, I'll do a little walk around if you want to come around here. Yeah, just got it all cleaned up and been enjoying that. Drop the top. Not today, it's a little chilly for us Floridians today. So it's a pretty big deal for that car. Yeah, so the Mercedes, I've been driving that mostly, and man, I just love that Roadster. That's a fun car to drive, so I've been keeping that thing clean and washing it and just having fun with the car. So that's kind of the updates there. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Get the fuck inside.
Grayson.
GoPro, stop recording.